How to fix alarm no sound in Realme 13. So let's start the video. First of all, open clock app. In clock app, firstly turn on your alarm. If you turn off your alarm, then turn it on. After turn on your alarm, then open alarms and then click on ringtone. Now here you can set your ringtone as default, as classic, nature, Spotify, weather. If you select none, then it will on silent mode. After that, go back to your home screen and open your settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and click on clock and click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the data and cache memory of clock. After clear data and cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update. On top you can see the option software update. Now click on it and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.